Venugopal, who's the Deputy Chief Controller of Explosives of PISO. He's also the Nodal Officer for Medical Oxygen Monitoring for Kerala and Lakshadweep, is joining us on the broadcast. Sorry, we couldn't connect with you earlier. But Venugopal, tell us about your story and how you saw it coming and how you prepared for the second wave. How is Kerala much better prepared as far as oxygen is concerned and oxygen supply is concerned? Venugopal.
As you see, the Government of India has prepared for the last 1 year for any surge in COVID patients. So we prepared well enough in advance, seeing that all the filling plants in Kerala are working and all the AIC units are working 100%. At the initial stage of COVID, it was 60% protection. We reached it to 100%. And cohesive action by PESO, Government of India organization, and the State Government Health Department has made this excess storage of medical oxygen to the needy patients in Kerala. At present, for COVID care, it is around 50 metric tons of oxygen is required, and for non-COVID patients, it is 45 metric tons. We have 11 air separation units and 3 manufacturing plants. So we were able to have an adequate storage as of date. But still, we have to work it to see that all the ASC units are working properly, and proper coordination between the PESO and the health department should be there from in the coming days also.
When did you start preparing for this? Which month and how many plants or oxygen generating units were you able to bring up in time?
We have started on 23rd of March 2020, and we were able to monitor every day what is the oxygen production, what is the consumption, and what is the supply. We were able to do that with the support of the state government, and we were able to all the industrial ASC units in functioning very properly. An average of the last 8 days, supply of medical oxygen to the cylinders to the hospital is around 41.3 metric ton, whereas the liquid oxygen supply is 89.85. So the total supply is well enough, and we have a stock of around 430 metric tons. So this will cater us for the time being. But if the patients are increasing, but the intake of oxygen into the ICUs and other things compared to other states is also very less. This is a courtesy action between the Government of India and the state government, which has resulted in the success story of Kerala COVID care.
Okay. It was good to talk to you, Mr. Venugopal. It's good to see that, while we have this debate, ongoing, raging debate about who was prepared, who was not prepared, it's fantastic and heartening to see that many officers, many bureaucrats, many states were prepared, and they foresaw what was coming, and that's the one of the biggest learnings, isn't it, from across the country?
That is why it can be taken as a lesson so that we can take forward in the coming days, so that the oxygen consumption will become less and the patients will be saved. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Venugopal. I have a poor video line with you there, but it was good to talk to you.